Where are your shoes, man? Don't need them. Why not? Walking barefoot is good. I suppose so, but not all the time, alright? So one of the main benefits of walking barefoot is that it resembles our natural way of walking. Dr. Jonathan Kaplan, who is a foot and ankle specialist, who is also an orthopedic surgeon, says that it's good to walk barefoot once in a while so that certain pressure points on our feet are actually activated better. The reason is that if you look at your running shoes or any sort of shoes in general, they have a lot of cushioning, support and secure features, which is not bad per se, but it takes out a lot of the natural methods by which we are supposed to be walking. So although this cushioning and support system is good and safe for the feet, the issue is that certain muscles may not get developed, well, because you're always getting that support. Now, some of the benefits of walking barefoot include getting more support while walking on the ground, improvement in balance, body proprioception and general awareness of your surrounding, better foot mechanics, which can improve the mechanics of your hips, your core and your knees too, stronger leg muscles as well, which can actually support your lower back. Now, I'm not saying that you should go barefoot all the time, but sometimes it might be good because this can help develop certain muscles that are generally inactive when we wear a lot of shoes and slippers.